Hi guys, we're doing Korean today. Look at this, so healthy. Is this beef ribeye or something?
No.
Short ribs. So this is our lunch for today. Tingnan natin, ang dami. Wow. Nice.
He wants it in the middle.
And this, it's all, this is pork, right?
Pork belly.
Pork belly,
Ribeye.
ribeye, and
More pork belly.
more pork belly. Yeah, wow. Ooh, smells so good. Mamma mia. Wow, sarap. Just salt?
Yep.
Simple, huh? Because they are doing, what do you call that diet again?
Carnivore.
Carnivore diet. And nakiki-diet na rin ako. Malapit na, magsisimula na rin ako niyan. Pretty soon. Pero, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang lalambot ng karne. Oh my gosh. This is lunch. Nako. Nag-iingay ang aking mga apo.
Just eat the rice in the plate, okay?
Come on guys.
If you want in another bowl, then sit down and eat it,
Can you
please.
get the butter then? Put it
Come on.
Listen. Oh my god.
Hurry. Woohoo, wow. And Jonathan is the one who's cooking this. Say hi. Yay. Our chef. Healthy food. Wow. How many minutes?
Just until golden, until brown.
Probably less than 5 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's soft and tender. It's gonna melt in your mouth. Sarap. Sino ba yung kumakanta dyan? Movie pala yun. Yay! Yeah. Wow. Yum. Oh my God, ang sarap. Look guys. Sisikapin kung walang kanin. Hindi talaga dapat may kanin. Dahil ang kanin ay nakatataba. Ito rin bawal eh. Pero konti lang naman kaya okay lang. Ito yan oh. Kimchi. Sarap. We're doing Korean. Ayan naman niluluto ni Jonathan. Ay pork belly from Costco. Right? Just salt and pepper. Napakasarap. Wow. So good. Ito, hinihintay ko pa yung ano. Hinihintay pa namin. Sarap. Ano to?
Brisket.
Wow. Sasayon ba to?
That's next.
Malambot kaya yan. Beef ba yan? Pork?
Malambot yan.
Beef.
Taba eh.
Beef?
Mostly fat.
The more mataba, the more healthier. The more nakakapayat. Huwag ka lang kakain ng kanin at huwag ka rin magsusugar. Papayat ka, katulad ni Jonathan. Look at that. Very healthy. Oh my God, ang sarap. My gosh. Kain po tayo. So guys, ito beef and belly. And kimchi. Ayan. Walang rice. Pero si Jill may rice. Ayan. Si Jem walang rice. Si Granny walang rice. Oh my gosh. Ribeye na maninipis. Masyado na kaming carnivore. Ay nako guys, napakasasarap. My gosh. Di mo na kailangan pumunta sa restaurant. Di mo na kailangan pumunta sa Korean barbecue restaurant. You can do it at home. Ayun pa, meron pa oh. Tapos meron pa kaming mga liempo. And this, oh my gosh.
$100 though?
For everything, $100?
Yeah.
Dalawang ako na kahapon.
Wow.
2 members. $100.
It's worth it.
Way better than sitting in the thing.
Kumukulo pa ba yung oil?
Yeah, ang lakas. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, yung oil niya, nagdi-drip doon. So, it's greaseless. Very healthy yan.
Graceful.
Graceful as hell.
What's that, Papa?
Huh?
What's that?
Goodbye.
Is that the same thing?
This is thin rib eye.
All the first class
Yeah.
meat.
Finish your meats right now.
It's still cooking though.
Finish those meats first.
Mama mia! Sarap! I want more! Woo! Kahit 1 meal a day, pag ganito kasarap yung kakainin mo, I'm okay, I'm good. Oh mad, 1 meal a day. Yeah.
But someone committed a crime, and I did not become a Lackawanna County volunteer sheriff's deputy among friends.
What's for lunch? What's for lunch? Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Here, your plate.
There we go. Yeah.
More, Jem. Come on.
So guys, I think I'm full. Sobrang sarap.
Dada mo more, please.
Oh my god.
Drink.
And this is our drink, sparkling water. Really good, perfect. Thank you guys. Hanggang sa uulitin. Kain na po tayo.
Green.